components assembly.
These are all the small components are there. And see this one. This is the 1D barcode scanner. Here you can see they are fixing with small components. They are building together.
Yeah.
So scanner module.
Yeah. Yes.
Now it is start printing. See? Wow. Hi. Today we are in a barcode scanner production factory. This is Mr. Peter with us. Can you tell me your company full name?
Our full company name, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Our full company name, Foshan Xingcode Electronic Technology Limited Company. In China.
China, where?
The city name, Foshan City.
Foshan
yeah,
City,
we are in Foshan City. Yeah.
Yeah, they are the #1 barcode scanner provider in the world. It is based in China.
Yeah.
And from here, all the production is going on.
Yes, from components to finished product.
Yes.
Yeah.
They have monthly 100,000 shipments barcode scanner production in from this factory.
Yeah.
So we will see the production line here. This starting from here, right?
Yes, starting from here is this seat is for components.
Yes.
Components
Assembly.
Yes, components assembly.
These are the small components are there.
Yes.
So many items are there. See.
Yes.
For the barcode scanner, one by one, step by step, we will see.
Yeah.
From here, where it will go?
Yeah. And after here finished, they will test this stuff. They are testing the components.
Yes.
They
Like this item, right?
half finished.
Barcode scanners. See. This is there is a battery also is there. That means it is a
Yes.
wireless.
Yes. What this seat is doing these jobs like the components and the assembly it also. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. And see this one. This is the 1D barcode scanner.
Yeah.
This is the laser light receiver, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the battery.
Yes.
Battery means this is a wireless, right?
Yes. Battery means it's wireless. Yes.
Wireless.
Exactly. Yes.
Like this, one by one production. It is starting from here, and it will go there, right?
Yeah.
And here also you can see the same items.
Yes. You can see later we go that side. You can see they are testing the laser line, and to test if it works or not.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And from here to here.
Yes.
From there it will come to here. See. See like this. This is another model actually.
Yeah.
This is a tabletop model, right?
Yes. Yes.
This is there is a this is a 2D barcode scanner basically. The PCBA and there is a sensor is there already. There is one more PCBA is down. Like there is a buzzer, the sound buzzer is there from where the sound is coming, right?
Yes. Exactly.
We will go to the next level here.
Okay.
Here you can see they are fixing with some glue as well.
Yeah.
To when the transportation, when the shaking, it will not remove. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So they are fixing it, properly.
Yes. Yes. Exactly. And it makes it more stronger in case of fall
like,
down.
Yeah.
Like that.
Like the transportation maybe.
Yes. Yes. Anti-shock.
Shock ups. Yeah.
Yes.
There are so many components are there. See, they are fixing it properly, one by one. Here you can see there is this is the main laser light, I think. Right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
This is the laser light for the 1D barcode scanner.
Yes. Yes.
This is the light. This is the components for
They come out from this point, this hole.
This
small
hole.
Yes. No, this hole.
this one. Very
yeah.
small. Huh?
Yeah.
Here this is another model. This is the reflector.
It's the same model, just the different components.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
She is try to fix these components on the PCBA.
Yeah. It is fixing to the PCBA. So many small components are there.
Yeah. With these components, so the laser line can be coming out and
They will check it here.
yes.
Whether it is in same line.
Yeah.
They have a measuring system is
you
there.
see? Yeah.
It should come in between. See, they are aligning like that.
Yeah. So she needs to adjust it again and again. Every
To fix
component.
it in the proper
Yes.
way.
To make sure every component is proper and to reflect the laser line.
Laser light in the correct. Yeah. Now we'll go to the next line.
Oh, yeah.
Here also same process.
Yes.
They are in the PCBA. They are fixing the components.
Yes.
like laser lights and all. See, when they are fixing it, it should come in the correct
Yes,
line.
she's doing the same job with her.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Also, here some other process.
Yeah.
Here one there.
So all the components remade by ourselves.
Really?
Yeah.
This is a molding, injection molding,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Small injection molding. See here. It's we'll keep some 3-4 components and welding, right?
Yeah. You make that I think is maybe a hole or what?
Yeah.
And then,
Welding. Small components they are welding together.
yeah.
Yeah, very good. Here all the it's under testing, I think, right?
Yeah.
This is all under testing.
This is the agent test.
Yes.
Agent test also. This are agent test shaft. So after half finished, we will test agent test all
Yes.
half finished products to be sure every component can
Okay.
last a long time.
Oh.
Working long time. Yeah. It's connected by the cable and power provided,
Yes.
and it will be working.
Still there is some testing is going on in all the lines, you see?
Yeah. Later, downstairs we will see more. Yeah.
Here
Because
some
thi-
other PCBA. This PCBA for what?
this is for a
light.
for the sensor.
Yeah,
Yeah.
2D scanner, right?
Yes, yes, the module, the sensor.
2D
Yeah.
scanner module, this
Yeah.
one, see?
Yes.
So very small one, see?
So we made everything by ourselves. Each station, they are doing their job separately, but
Yes.
we can collect them together.
Yes. Where they are assembling the scanner there?
Assembling downstairs.
Downstairs,
Yes.
okay.
Because most of this area is for inside components.
Yeah.
Assembling something like that.
Like-
After the PCBA finished, and we go downstairs.
Downstairs.
Yes.
Here. Here we saw already. This one we saw, this one we did not see. This is some fixing is going on here.
Yeah.
Some fixing is going on here.
They are testing in case inside components assembly anything wrong.
Yeah.
They are testing every pieces.
Yeah.
Make sure they are working before fully,
assembling.
yeah, before fully
Assembling.
assembling. Yes. And after that, we can see downstairs.
Yes,
after,
we'll go there.
Yeah. Here, they are also testing the function for the engine. For the inside engine is reading barcode and trying to read the version and trying to get the version number of this scanner. She's in just the line first, the laser line, and then testing every barcode. She needs to be sure the engine read every barcode, target barcode here, and then it can be passed to downstairs.
After PCBA assembling, the PCBA testing, it will come to this floor.
Yeah.
Here there is some assembly line over there.
Yeah.
It is fixing to the body.
Yes, yes,
This is all barcode scanners body.
yeah,
It is fixing over here. This is the primary step, and we will go to the next step again from here one by one. Here some body parts they are checking for the barcode scanner. They are testing the finished products actually. There is a multiple type of barcodes are there. Each and every barcode they will scan it in the board. They can see. They are connecting like that. See the testing.
So actually we have different testing period.
Yeah.
Like upstairs, we just now made the inside engine testing.
Yeah.
Like function scanning also. And after assembling this line,
Yes.
today they didn't do assembling, but this is what they finished.
Final test.
Yes, final, and they will do finished product assembly testing also.
Here also testing is going.
Yeah,
Finished product it will move like that.
yeah,
Yeah, very good. And from here it is packing.
yes,
The packing materials is there. They will put the label as well. See the labeling. The labels are there, fixing the labels, and there is a manual is there. It will insert in the polythene cover. Here it will be inserted in the polythene cover. See? It's a very speedy process. See this one? It's already completed inside of the box.
Yeah.
Here the final section here.
In case of any shortage of cable, use manual.
In the weight they can understand.
Yes.
Really great.
Yes.
Maybe
So-
some small items.
In past 14 years, we don't have any complaint about the shortage.
Shortage of material.
Yeah, no complaint about the shortage.
This
Yeah.
one, see?
So this is an order to Korea market.
Korea, okay.
Yeah,
This is,
5,400 pieces.
it's going
5,400.
to Korea.
Yeah, 5,400 pieces.
Great. So this is the production process for the barcode scanner. They have different types, different models. Now we see only one model. In the production line, they will change the models as per the customer requirements.
Yes, exactly.
We will see how they are printing the logo.
Yes, exactly.
This is the laser machine actually.
Yeah. Now she is measuring the size.
Distance. Yeah. They will keep like that.
Adjusting the machine.
The location. See? Now it is start printing. See? Wow. It's printed already. It's very easy.
Yeah.
Very easy.
The importance is make the mold.
Yeah.
The mold. The mold is important.
Yeah. See? It's just printed. Wow. The logo is came here. So if somebody want to make a private label branding, you can contact them.
Yes.
They will make it for you. There is so many technologies are there. Not only sticker and not only painting. It's a laser technology, it's a latest technology. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.